Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Redmond here. Today I'll show you how to make pickled chilies. I think you'll be very surprised at how easy it is. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description box. A quick way to peel the garlic is to crush it, smash it, easy and fun. Peel the ginger and slice it. Prepare some dry and clean red chilies. If you want to tone down the spiciness, feel free to remove the chili seeds. Put all the ingredients into a food processor. Here I'm using a handheld blender for convenience. As you can see, the chopper only works when I press the button. You want to chop the chilies for a few seconds, then pause, then chop, then pause. This will prevent the chilies from being mushy. Add salt and sugar, mix well. Add a small amount of liquor. Here I'm using vodka. The high alcohol content will help preserve the chilies, and vodka is flavorless, so it won't color the taste. Place the chopped chilies into a clean and dry glass container and seal it up. Refrigerate it for a week to let the taste mature through fermentation. Make sure to keep it in the refrigerator. These pickled chilies should taste a little bit spicy, sweet, and sour. It can be used to cook many dishes, such as steamed fish, ribs, chicken, and many others. Stay subscribed for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!